Hello traders, doing a video chart for CFGX. It's traded on the pinks. I caught this chart here and I want to go through the basics here and point out a few things that have been catching my eye. What we're looking at here is going to be a 6-month chart going back from the beginning of June all the way up until right around now towards the end of November. The first thing I'm going to point out about this chart is always as I do is RSI. We see the RSI right now resting at 50.75 with a beautiful uptrend forming, in my opinion, and that's the first thing that I always look for when I see a chart. The next thing that we're going to look at as we move down here is the resistance, and we can see that right here around the 0.0379 other, which is actually this 200-day simple moving average. The next support actually we're going to see is going to be down here at the 50-day simple moving average, which is 0.0252, and then after that I think we can go ahead and put that support right around here, which is where that Bollinger Band is, and that's 0.0217. Going down here a little bit further, we can see the MACD is starting to pinch together a little bit here. We could look for a crossover. And the next thing I'm going to point out, as I always do in all my charts, is the accumulation. If we look back here to the beginning and beginning of November, end of October, we see a lot of accumulation starting to grow right here, and a lot of people buying and holding shares. So that is something else to watch in this chart. Now, the biggest thing that really attracts me to this chart is one that it's holding the 0.028 pretty well right in this area. We can see a little bit of almost channel trading, and we can see it if it repeats itself. We're going up, consolidate right here, and possibly moving back up. But the good thing about this chart here, if we look back into 6 months, once it breaks this resistance, there isn't much left, and I could almost, in my opinion, put it as a blue sky breakout, as most people would say. So going into the next trading week, go ahead and keep an eye on CFGX, and good luck to all.